అసలు అలసిపోకుండా ఇంత ఎనర్జీ ఎలారా బాబు అని ఆయన చూసినప్పుడు అనిపిస్తుంది. హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు యూ ధనుష్ గారు, అండ్ లెట్స్ హావ్ అ స్పెషల్ మ్యాషప్ వీడియో ఆన్ ధనుష్ గారు ప్లీజ్.
One of the most amazing actors on the planet, one of the best actors of our country.
ఎవరి ఏరియాకి వచ్చి ఎవరికి సీన్ చూపిస్తున్నా చీరేస్తా.
ధనుష్ సార్ కెమెరా ముందు యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంటే ఆయన ఒక నాదస్వరం. ఆయన యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంటే ఇంకా ఏది కనబడదు మనకు. ఆయన ఒక్కడే వినబడతాడు, ఆయన ఒక్కడే కనబడతాడు.
డబ్బు ఎలాగైనా సంపాదించుకోవచ్చు, కానీ మర్యాదని చదువు మాత్రమే సంపాదించి పెడుతుంది.
ఒక పర్సనాలిటీలో నుంచి యూ కెన్ బ్రింగ్ అవుట్ సో మచ్ అనేది ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ అమేజింగ్.
அது ஒரு கேரக்டரை கொடுத்தா அது எப்படி அதுக்குள்ளேயே போய் வாழ்க்கை. ரஜினி சாரையும் கமல் சாரையும் மிக்ஸ் பண்ண ஒரே ஒரு நடிகர் தனுஷ் தான்.
భారతీయ సినిమా చరిత్రలో ఒకప్పటి తరంలో కమల్ హాసన్, అంతకుముందు శివాజీ గణేశన్, ఇక్కడ తెలుగులో అయితే ఎన్టీ రామారావు, నాగేశ్వరరావు గారు, ఇట్లాంటి ఎంత ఒక తొలితరం నటులు ఎంత గొప్ప నటులు ఉన్నారో, తర్వాత తరం గొప్ప నటుల్లో నేను ధనుష్ కి టాప్ ప్లేస్ ఒకటి ఇస్తాను.
సూపర్ స్టార్.
You are not only just an actor, you have become inspiration for generations.
అమూల్ బేబీ, ఇంతవరకు రఘువరని విలన్ గానే చూసా, హీరోగా చూడలేదు కదా. If you are bad, I am your dad. I am the devil, and you will call me.
Dhanush has movies have worked wonders with them.
ధనుష్ సినిమాలంటేనే వేరే లెవెల్లో ఉండేది.
Dhanush fan.
I am a very big Dhanush fan.
Big fan of Dhanush from childhood.
இந்த சத்தம் நடுவுல எதுவுமே கேட்காது, எனக்கு எதுவுமே கேட்காது. எனக்கு இந்த சத்தம் மட்டும் தான் கேட்கும். எனக்கு இது போதும், சிவன் இருக்கா அது போதும், வேற என்ன.
श्री धनुष, इन्हें तमिल फिल्म असुरन में इनके अभिनय के लिए पुरस्कृत किया गया है. इन्हें भी रजत कमल प्रदान किया जा रहा है.
எல்லாமே சிரிச்சாங்க. நாங்கெல்லாம் உட்காந்துருக்கோம், இவரு ஹீரோவா தெலுங்கு சொல்றாங்க எல்லாம், ஆட்டோக்கார ஹீரோப்பா, ரிக்ஷாக்கார ஹீரோப்பா, அப்பெல்லாம் நான் சின்ன பையன். அப்போ எனக்கு 17 வயசோ 18 வயசோ பக்குவம் கிடையாது. இதெல்லாம் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கணும் பக்குவம் இல்லை. போய் ஒரு கார்ல போய் கதை சரி உள்ள உட்காந்து அழ ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன், தேம்பியும் அழ ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டேன்.
Back in 2000, 2002, if I had told anybody I would win 4 national awards or I would star in a Hollywood film, they would have laughed on my face. So I believe in doing it and then talking rather than talking about it.
We knew there was only one man in the world for this job, Dhanush.
We were fans of Dhanush before working with him.
We're very lucky to have Dhanush in this movie. It was an honor to work with him.
Incredible. And he is the most patient human being I've ever seen.
Poised and lovely,
Yeah.
and so polite and professional.
So lovely.
And
Truly, like,
lovely,
really
lovely.
hardworking.
One of my greatest sources of inspiration
I've loved his work.
One of the best actors of our country, Dhanush sir. Dhanush has been an inspiration all throughout.
I'm actually most excited to see Dhanush in this.
Dhanush bhai to we are big fan.
Iconic, amazing. I was so excited when I got to know that he's in The Grey Man in a Hollywood project. I'm very excited to see Dhanush sir. I've been a big fan of his work.
Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. He was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it.
முன்னாடி யார் ஓடுறான்னு பார்த்ததில்ல, பின்னாடி யார் ஓடுறான்னு பார்த்ததில்ல, கூட யார் ஓடுறான்னு பார்த்ததில்ல. அது நமக்கு தேவையும் இல்லை. ஓடிட்டு இருக்குமாச்சு, அவ்வளோதான் மேட்டர். அது போதும்.
If you're bad, I am your dad.
ధనుష్ గారి 50వ చిత్రంగా కుబేరా వస్తున్నటువంటి సందర్భంగా లేడీస్ అండ్